Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have the HS120D. I'm doing a revisit on this. If you guys follow my channel, I did a review on this about a year ago. I'll leave some links down in the descriptions, and definitely leave a clip up above me here. But anyways, I want to do a revisit on this to find out why is this so popular, you guys. You know, the popularity with this on my channel has been crazy. So many people have been buying this, and to look back and see why, you know, that's why I wanted to do this video. With this one here, it has 1080p, so it's got the HD. It may only be 2.4 gigahertz on the Wi-Fi. It doesn't have 5G on this, but the service is really good, you know, so it does get a pretty good image. And there's a lot of people that don't have 5G, so that's why they go with this one here. Not only have HolyStone brought down the price on Amazon, it's just a really good starter if you haven't flown a drone before, you guys. And another point on this too is that this is actually under 249 grams, so you do not have to register with the FAA, at least here in the United States. So that's another reason why this made this so popular, you guys. So it is a small drone, but it's very accurate, as you'll see here when we do another flight on this again and go over the functions. So hey guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification so you can see what's coming up next on Big Drone Flyer 77 RC. All right guys, let's go ahead and get this out of the box, do the revisit flight, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's go get this guy set up. I got my screen recorder going. I'm gonna go in my Wi-Fi settings so that way I'm ready to go. Super windy, guys, so let's see how well this little guy, he's under 249 grams, so that's, like I was saying, makes this really popular here, at least in the US. I know a lot of people like to buy these over in India and you know, pretty much all around the world. HolyStone has definitely been a name brand that's putting their name up on the chart, so definitely in the toy grade business. So all the links right here are associate links, so you know, I'll list those down in the description, guys. So if you purchase off of those on Amazon, it definitely helps out the channel so I can get other products to review on here and things I need, camera equipment, microphones, things like that, guys. So it does make a big difference, so I appreciate that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up. Let me go ahead and the button's right here. I already put a class 10 memory card in there, and it's 16 gigabyte. You don't want to go too big with these ones or they won't record. Let's turn on the controller. Drone just bound right here. Let me go up, down, binding the controller with the drone, guys. So, okay, let me go into my Wi-Fi settings. HolyStone FPV-05 is the one you're gonna want. Let me get out of there. Now I'm gonna go to this one here. Is the HS GPS V1, I believe. Yep, there it is, HS120D. I'm gonna do a I don't need to do a quick start, but I'm gonna go ahead and just go to controls, which should have FPV. There it is. Let me go to my settings. I'm gonna, beginner mode is off, so let me go ahead and put these all to max, except for the return to home. I don't need to put that high. There we go. So that's all ready to go. And to do a calibration on this one, you're going to go and put the sticks to the inside and up. So now it wants to go ahead and calibrate the GPS compasses. So this says to go ahead and rotate this counterclockwise, guys. So let's go counterclockwise. All right, trying to keep my head straight so you guys can see that. Now this wants let's see, nose down, and we're going to do counterclockwise. So nose down. It's been a year since I've flown this, guys, so it's not all fresh to me like then. All right, should be ready to go. This thing's so tiny, I forgot how small this drone is, but it's an awesome drone, you guys. I really like this one. All right, please take off drone. Okay, empty, what does it say? Okay, ready to fly. Okay, so we have satellites now. So to get this to record on here, let me get See if I get the screen on here. You can either press the record button here, which you're going to hear this annoying beep, you guys. On my first review, I didn't realize that the controller, if you press that, it makes that annoying beep. But if you go and press the record on your mobile device, guess what? It's recording and no sound. So that makes it awesome. So we're going to try that. Hopefully it does record, but I believe it will. I'm going to go ahead and take off, you guys. To do a calibration for the gyros on this one, you're going to go to the outside corners and up. So should be, there we go. There goes the little one-axis motorized gimbal went up and down. So now we got it all calibrated and ready to fly, guys. So I'm going to do one key takeoff. Let's see what that does on the app here. Let's slide. Let's see if this thing fires up here. Let me arm it and see what it does, and then try it. So I want to take off. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so you want to arm it first. Such a quiet little flyer. I just hope it holds up well in this wind. Listen how quiet that is, guys. I mean, that is just super quiet. It's working good. Let's check the tilt. Tilt's working. Okay. Tilt that back up. Okay. Just gonna do a little walk around for a second. All right, here comes that breeze. Starting to push it back. I'm gonna go ahead and set it into high rate of speed by pushing the wheel all the way to the right. Oh, guess that'd help if I didn't hit the careful of that. This flops down pretty easy, and it just made it come towards me because it hit the stick. So anyways, you know, definitely the wheel right here go all the way to the right, and that will be high speed, you guys. So let's go ahead and take this guy up and see how it does here. Go up and out a little bit here. This one's nice and quiet. We're just going to take it up since there's people over there playing at the park. I'll go over here to the left here, so that way I'm not around anybody. And there we go. The wind's picking up pretty good, but we're still getting a good signal. Yeah, not bad at all. We're still getting a pretty good signal right now. So I am up about 40 or 45. I'm not going to go up all the way, just due because of that wind right now. So let me go ahead and rotate this guy around a little. Take a look out here. See if I can go pretty slow. Looks like the image froze up there. And that's going to be normal because it's only 2.4 gigahertz. So I'm going to go ahead and take a snapshot from right here. Let me shut off the camera. Camera is off. Take a snapshot. So hopefully that worked. I'll try it on the phone too. Okay, let me rotate it around. Do one over here. There's a snapshot. And then one more back this way here. And we'll do another snapshot. I'll do it with the phone too. Okay, I'm gonna start the recording back again. All right, recording's going. Let me turn this guy back around. I'm going to go out a little ways here. I don't see anybody on that path right there, so I'm going to go out this way a bit. And then I'm going to do a return to home, guys, in a second. So we are at about, let me tilt over this way. I'm starting to go over towards the apartments here. So no transmission, but I'm going to go ahead and return it to home. We're at 160. All right, let's return it to home. I still see it. I don't want to go too far. And here it comes. Comes back pretty fast. So here it comes. I'm going to tilt the camera all the way down. That's me making all that beep. Boy, it comes smoking over here. That's pretty fast. So here it comes down. I'm going to tilt my hat cam up here and step out of the way. So it is going to be coming down here in a second. Here it comes. Looking good. Such a solid little flyer. I mean, look how well it holds up, and I'm having about 8-mile-an-hour winds. Sometimes the gust goes up to a possible 10 is what it says on the weather, but it's doing really well. This is probably about a 3-mile-an-hour wind right now, just constant. And then here comes the gust to about 5 or 6 now, and it's doing great. Really solid drone, you guys. I'm telling you, I really like this drone. It's well worth the money. The price is right, and it's just a nice drone. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there. See, that's almost right on the money. Let me stop that. I mean, it's just about dead on, you guys. Look, and it even straightened out to line up a little bit more with that landing pad. So that's great. That's what I love about this drone. When I first flew this, I wish they had this out before, I got like the little Hubsan H502E and stuff like that. That was my first GPS drone, and I wish this one was out because this one is just super solid and accurate. Never had any problems with it, so I think that's what makes it so popular, you guys. Just really good to learn from. It's worth having, and the price has gone down quite a bit. I would go and look it up. Like I said, I'll leave the link down in the descriptions there. It'll be my associates link. So, guys, if you want to click on that, purchase it there, that's fine. You want to purchase it somewhere else, that's fine too. But right now, I would take a look at it because these are definitely dropping down in price. So let me go ahead and go to the follow me here. I'm going to click on the little box icon with the guy there. So it's going to just track me while staying in one spot. So let's see how well this works. Oh, I guess it would help if I draw a line first. Let me get a little closer here, guys. I forgot with this one you got to draw the little box around you. Okay, so there we go. We got the box on me here. And it is churning. Yep, it is churning. It's definitely following me. Yep, it's staying in one spot, guys. See, all it's doing is just rotating the drone. Perfect. Well, that's what you want there. So let me go ahead and cancel that out. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the follow me here. Okay, let's see if this thing follows me now. I think it's going to follow the GPS on the controller or my mobile device. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, it's definitely following me, guys. Should be able to raise it up. Yep, you can raise it up while you're doing a follow me. So there you go. And it pushes back. Just be careful you're not close to trees and stuff, guys. See, it's following me. The wind's catching it now, and I'm going to go ahead and stop it there. That's basically it, you guys. I'm going to stop right there because I really don't need to see anything else. Like I said, I have a full review that's been up for almost a year now. I just wanted to do a quick revisit, show you how nice this little drone is. It's definitely worth the money, you guys, and just wanted to let you know why it's so popular. Like I said, it's affordable. The price is pretty cheap. It's got a nice little 1080p camera on here. The GPS is nice and solid. You can see it gets pretty good range. I probably could have went out to about 250 meters with no problem. Also, it is under 249 grams, you guys. So here in the US, you do not have to register that. So a lot of people like that. They don't have to sit there and deal with the FAA on that. You just have to go by FAA rules, of course, in your state, where you're at. So, but anyways, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and bring this guy down. So you can just grab it and hold the shut off button. There you go. This one right here is really solid, guys. Nice flyer, so check it out. Links in the description. All right, guys, be safe out there, and God bless.